Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the remake. I never This is the new series I'm going to play. I I don't know if I'm late to the party of this game, so I hope you enjoy this, and I love this game. I'm a fan. Before we start, I played this game, not the remake, the Famicom version of like 20 years ago, I think. 2000 20 plus years ago, so 2002 I think. So I hope I can read. There are many nostalgia things I cannot express what words I should say because I am having a hard time to express my words here in this video. So I'm going to upload this in YouTube, and I'm going to auto cut this in TikTok later. After this recording, I will re-edit it. I edit it on the TikTok. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's go to the Earthbound Beginnings remake. Okay, let's start. There we go. That was crazy. Ooh. There you go. I think 10 or 15 minutes I should record this. Look. I know. Winted. Brother, I'm so scared. It's like the hero is alive. Okay, we'll fight that. I'll fight that. But that's monster. Each point 8. Okay. Ouch. Okay. Alrighty then. Defeated. Okay, 1 XP. There. Is our house really falling apart? Oh. Brother, help me. Help me. Okay. Yeah, this is, I think, you engage the possessed doll. Of course, I will. Okay. Okay, nice. Ow. 10 XP. What? Okay, level 2. Okay. I wasn't able to do that. The phenomenon has stopped for the moment. Let's check this. Inside the doll, Nintendo spotted an old music box. As the music was wound up, a melody began to play. Wound up. Alright. Okay, got the first melody. Remember the tune. Nintendo, remember the tune. Brother, here's some juice. You're thirsty, aren't you? And then get the can of juice. Okay, wait. Yeah. Yep. Wait, status. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Let's go bit to these people right there. Or not? Brother, here's some juice. Okay. Alright, thank you. At least my map. No problem here. Where's mom? Nintendo, are you alright? Egan, what is happening to our house? Oh dear, oh dear. Maybe things would be alright if your dad were here. I wish he were. Oh, the telephone. Nintendo, please get it. Okay. Nintendo, grab the telephone. Hello, Nintendo. This is your dad. Is everyone alright? There's reports of paranormal activity spiraling all over the news. Just want to make sure everyone's okay. What's that? I see. It sounds almost as if a poltergeist was haunting our home. I'm glad you were there to take care of it, Atapoy. I'm not sure what's going on, but your great grandfather studied Psi, if I recall. If you want to get to the bottom of this, you might want to look for some of his old things in the basement. I know I left the basement key somewhere, but I can't remember exactly where. Anyhow, you are our only hope. You're just old enough to get a taste of the world out there. It's time for you to go on a little adventure. And then don't forget to come back and don't forget to come back and check on our family. Bye. Oh, phone me. I'll make a record of your progress. Call me whenever you want some beep. Nintendo, are you alright? Okay. Be safe. Okay. I think I am planning to play. Wait, where's mom's room? Inside the Nintendo spotted an old music box. Okay. Okay. Wait, where is the door? Oh, okay. I think it's outside. I hope I'm correct. Oof. Can't autonomous, right? Tell you a secret. Why don't you check me out? There, on the dog's collar was the basement key. Nintendo got the basement key. No problem here. I like the music, man. I like the remix. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so full of nostalgia playing this. Nintendo, unlock the door. Oh, goodness. Okay, 3 XP. Okay. George's but diary inside. Nintendo takes it. Plastic bat inside. Nintendo takes it. There's download inside. Nintendo takes it. There's bread loaf inside. Nintendo takes it. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's save and end this. Let's end this. This is just short introduction for now. You know what? Okay. And that the telephone done. This is your data transferred $32 into your account, taking away what you've spent. You should now have $32 in the bank. Spend your money wisely. Well, the next level requires 2 XP for Nintendo. By the way, what do you need? Okay, record. Actually, I was going to sleep now too. I've made the record of your photos so far. Good night. Great work. Get great work ethic just like my other, but I don't think it's too good. It's good to work too hard. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching and bye bye for all. Bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their